Hey friends, this is Atif Opier Val and welcome to the update on BitTorrent. On a daily time frame chart, recently the price of BitTorrent has broken out this falling wedge pattern, and for a while the price also broke out this long-term resistance zone as well. That starts from 7.7 and goes to 7.3, from 7.3 to 7.7, point double zero double zero and double zero six times $0.77. And if you take a look at the weekly time frame chart, then you can see that this is a very long-term resistance zone that had been previously acting as a support here and support here and support line here, and resistance line here. And for several weeks, it has been breaking as support line here as well. Therefore, again, it is breaking as a strong resistance. For a while, we broke it out, but while retesting the previous resistance line as support line, the price line could not save this level. And the previous even weekly candlestick is also closed below this support. And therefore now again, it is breaking at the resistance for the price line of BitTorrent. And in today's video, we will analyze this move. And I would also like to show you another very massive breakout that is happening here on the 7-day time frame chart from this big and long-term falling wedge pattern as well. But before starting this analysis, if you're not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe. And then for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you, and you can find the link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. And if you would like to see how my trading signals work, then I've also shared the link for the trading signal reports of the previous month of April 2025 in the video's description. You just need to open that report. And if you would like to check or verify any trading signal, like the trade setup for Sonic, you just need to click on the link for the trade setup and then it will take you to the TradingView chart. And on this chart, you can see when I shared this signal. Like this signal I shared on 20th of April 2025. And here you can also watch the complete trade setup, buying zone, sell target zone, and the stop loss. And in order to see how the price line moved after sharing this signal, you need to click here. And after that, it will show you how the price line moved up from the buying zone and rallied to the sell target zone. Now let's move to the live chart of BitTorrent. And first of all, let's move to the daily time frame. And here you can see that for the past several weeks, it has been moving inside this wedge, even for the past few months since after 18th of November 2024. We had a bounce here, rejection, bounce, so many rejections here, bounce here, another rejection, bounce, rejection, finally the price and broke out the resistance of the wedge. And the movement was also quite squeezed, therefore. After getting squeezed, it has broken out the resistance. And now, if the price then breaks out this resistance line from 7.3 to 7.7, then an imminent move is possible up to the next long-term resistance that is here from 108 to 115, point double zero double zero and 05 times $0.115, and slightly higher than this resistance line. We have this very long-term uptrend line resistance as well. If you take a look at the weekly time frame chart, then you can see that this uptrend line resistance had been previously acting as a very strong support since after the month of October 2023. We had a bounce here, another bounce here, another bounce here, and now after this breakdown, it can act as a strong resistance for the price line of BitTorrent. By the way, the technical target for the breakout from this wedge is here at the top of the wedge. That is at 167. And by the way, this 167 has been previously breaking as a resistance here, and before that, it had been acting as a support here as well. Therefore, again, this level of 167, point double zero and 05 times $0.167. Again, work as a very strong resistance for the price line of BitTorrent. Here on the 7-day time frame chart, you can see that we have already broken out this big and long-term falling wedge pattern. And after the breakout, we had a very powerful pump from this low to here. It was almost a more than 511% pump, but the price could not hit the target for the breakout from this wedge so far. And that long-term target is here at the top of the wedge. That is at 255. So this was the update so far. I hope that you've liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.